Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make these delicious creamy beans. First, I've washed my beans already and I'm using a pressure pot to cook it, and this takes about 15 to 20 minutes depending. I will now be preparing this with plantain, so I'm prepping my plantain into the air fryer. Feel free to use anything you prefer, like rice if you prefer that, or anything. Next is to prep my onions and pepper, and I'm using my food processor to do this because I want a rough blend. And also be generous with your onions when making beans, because one of the secrets of having your beans taste great is a lot of onions. Yes, I'm serious, a lot of onions. Don't minimize your onions. So after chopping my onions, then I'll blend this into a rough blend, but feel free to blend this to your taste. If you don't like thin onions chunk on your onions in your beans. So next we proceed to making our beans. As you can see, my beans is ready and soft, so it's time to mix everything together, and this is where you build in all the flavors and taste. Add your onions, stir very well to combine. This should fry for about 2 to 3 minutes just to release the flavor. Next, add your crayfish. Be generous with your crayfish too, because that adds a very lovely taste. Add your Maggi seasoning, then add salt. Stir everything well to combine taste. And one of the things I do is that, though I season this, I season it to be slightly more, so that I don't need to add too much salt when I add the beans, but feel free to season it to your taste. So stir everything well to combine, and at this point the beans is a little bit thick, but if you like thick beans like this, feel free to allow this to simmer. But I went ahead to add small water, allow this to boil for 2 to 3 minutes. So after about 2 to 3 minutes, this is how my beans is looking. It's looking very sweet, creamy and delicious. And one of the things I will say about making beans is that I have been a victim of, today my beans will be sweet, tomorrow it will be something else, next tomorrow it will be sweet. So I was wondering, what is it? So after the day I discovered this recipe, I was so happy, because everyone in the house was just praising me. Oh, your beans taste so nice, your beans is so sweet. And I've been using this recipe since then, and it has never failed me. So if you have issue making beans and it comes out today, tomorrow it will not be nice, try this recipe and you'll thank me later. So I just garnish this with vegetable. I love vegetable with my beans and plantain. So at this point my beans is ready and good to go. Like I say, feel free to serve this with rice, even bread, or anything you prefer. You can even eat it like that. Thank you so much. Bye.